Maura Healey is reacting to the Trump administration. They say $108 million in federal education funding is currently being withheld. The annual funding was already assigned by the U.S. Congress, but on June 30th, states were notified that select grants were under review and would not be issued. Now, in regards to the whole situation, Governor Healey said, quote, "Every day that goes by without this education funding hurts children, educators, communities, and our economy. Without this funding, districts are going to be forced to lay off staff, delay or cancel programs and services, and disrupt learning. Our schools were promised this funding, and the Trump administration needs to deliver it." End quote.